I have a tip for all the people who want their children to study better, who want their children to focus better, have their memory in the right place, activate their right brain, left brain. These are a few tips that you can follow. There's no one formula for activating a kid to focus better, so there are several things that you need to do. The first thing is you can use something which is called a memory boost spray that I have on my online store, shop.sheelaa.com. That's the first thing that you can use on your child's third eye, on their throat, on their crown, because it activates that energy and helps them focus better. Another thing that I recommend is get lavender and keep it under your child's pillow. All right. And every time that your child is studying, you can also burn some camphor, or you can buy mint oil and you can burn that in a diffuser. Now, mint is known to activate memory, focus, concentration. So if you feel that your child gets distracted very easily, that's something that you can do. Another remedy that worked wonders on my elder son Shian, his brain was just, like one jalebi or one raita all over the place. And his attention span was like, a mutter. So one of the things that really helped Shian change or evolve or, suddenly get focused or channel his energy was a name correction that I did for him at the end of 4th grade, and running his bars continuously, maybe 10 to 20 sessions. You can get that done at our center or any bars practitioner, anywhere that you find someone good that you can connect with, that your kid can connect with. That works wonders. I also tell parents to cleanse the house, because if you have a lot of mucky or bad energies in the house, your child is definitely going to have a problem with focus. So cleanse the house, make them use a BMR soap. That's going to work wonders. Memory boost spray, burn mint oil, put lavender under the pillow. Also, they need to sleep really well. So if your child is not sleeping well, make them listen to the deep sleep frequency on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is Sheelaa M. Bajaj. Do comment if this worked for you, if it helped you, or if you want me to record any other videos.